Hi, I am Dr. Sonal Parate, an eye surgeon from Nagpur. As November month is known as Diabetic Awareness Month, so today we are going to see the effect of diabetic on eye, which is known as diabetic retinopathy. So what is diabetic retinopathy? It's an eye condition in which these blood vessels of retina is the back portion of eye, and the blood vessels in retina, it gets affected in diabetic retinopathy. Now what are the symptoms of diabetic retinopathy? In initial stages, that is in early diabetic retinopathy, it has no symptoms, but as your diabetic gets worse, it starts showing symptoms like blurring of vision, or sometimes you may see dark spots, dark areas in front of your eye. You may have poor night vision, or sometimes straight line may appear baby to you. Now what are the risk factors? See, all type of diabetes, that is type 1 diabetes, type 2 and gestational diabetes, that is diabetic in pregnancy. These all type of diabetes are your risk factors. Then along with it, your high cholesterol level, high blood pressure, smoking are also the risk factors. Then how would you diagnose it? See, whenever you are diagnosed with diabetes for the first time, at that point of time, you have to get your eye examination done. And then yearly once you have to do your regular eye checkup. See, in early stages of diabetic retinopathy, you may not have any symptoms, but still changes may be there in your retina. So during regular eye examination, your eye doctor will notice that and timely treatment can be done. And if the changes are advanced, then your eye doctor will suggest you some tests like OCT, fluorescein angiography, color photo, that is basically the imaging of your retina, with the help of which we can do proper treatment. Now, how can you prevent it? See, managing your blood sugar level in normal range is the best way to lower risk for diabetic retinopathy. And you can do this by getting regular physical activity, eating healthy, and following instruction given by your physician for your diabetic medicines. Also, controlling your blood pressure, your cholesterol level, and getting away from smoking can reduce the risk. Now, coming to the treatment. See, in early stages of diabetic retinopathy, you don't need any treatment. Only your eye doctor will keep the track of how your eyes are doing. Now, in late stages, there are three treatment options. First is eye injections, second is lasers, and third is surgery. Now, the surgery option is reserved in advanced cases, that is when there is retinal detachment or bleeding in the eye. And for the other changes of diabetic retinopathy which are leading to vision loss, or like diabetic macular edema, these two options are there, that is eye injections and laser. The message I want to share is, if you keep your diabetic in control, then lifelong you will not have any changes in your eye, and you need not to go through all this complicated treatment for diabetic retinopathy. So keep your diabetic in control. Thank you.